こんにちは、まいです。Do you know how to pronounce this word? It pronounces as お父さん. This long sound is called choon in Japanese. The first word is お母さん. The second one is お父さん. Let's take a look at choon in katakana. 伸ばし棒 is used to create a long sound. Which sounds create choon? Only these 5 letters a, I, U, E, O create choon. The first sound is a. When you add choon to it, it becomes a sound. Can you read this word? おばあさん. The same rule applies to the rest of these letters. 黄色, 空気, 英語, お父さん. Did you notice something? For long vowel ends with a sound, you can add an extra a after it. But when it comes to e sound, you need to add an extra e after it. And also for long vowel ends with o sound, you need to add an extra u after it. Yes, it sounds complicated, but you can actually easily memorize them by practicing writing Japanese. There are some exceptions, but I think you learned enough for today. またね。